8th standard English, Prose 1, Section 1, Hobby turns a successful career. Before the class, just we recall our previous session. What is Mani's hobby? Mani's hobby is writing. Mani feels writing is like dash. Mani feels writing is like painting the voice. Non-fiction means things which are real. A famous Indian writer, R.K. Narayanan. Section 2. Now we are going to see Ajay Kumar Kark. How Ajay Kumar Kark turns his life a successful career. Ajay Kumar Kark is a very skilled young artist from Jaipur, India. He had a normal childhood like other children, but at the age of 3, he was injured. When he undertook treatment for the same, there were some side effects that made him permanently deaf. He could not hear after that in spite of many treatments. His parents tried to treat him in many hospitals to cure his deafness, but it did not work. One day his father got him a paint set to play. He started painting happily. Slowly his interest grew and he started painting on walls and floors. Ajay's parents realized Ajay's talent is painting. So parents encouraged Ajay to paint. Little Ajay became interested in painting. His paintings were admired by everyone. A court artist means who painted for the members of the royalty of Dholpur in Rajasthan, saw his painting and he was impressed that a 5-year-old child could paint so well. His name was Sri Shalal and he agreed to train Ajay. Ajay grew up and completed education. He tried other hobbies like tailoring, but he was not happy. So Ajay went back to painting. He became a trainee under Asha Devi, who taught him the basics of miniature painting. Miniature painting refers to a very small and highly detailed portrait or other paintings. The art is very traditional from and was slowly vanishing in the country. But Ajay, under the guidance of Asha Devi, mastered the technique of preparing the correct colors and brushes and studied about paintings. Soon, he became highly skilled in the miniature art form. He uses a magnifying glass to see the enlarged image of what he was painting. He used to brush with just one hair for painting miniatures, which depicted Indian culture. Ajay is also talented in creating images of a grain of rice. சின்ன வயசில் அஜய்க்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் போகிறப்போ ஒரு ராங் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்னால டெஃப் ஆகிடுறாரு. அதனால் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் அவர் ட்ராயிங் பண்ணுறதை பார்த்து பெயிண்டிங்ஸ் வாங்கி கொடுத்து அவரோட டேலண்ட்டை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறாங்க. எப்படி அவர் வந்து இந்த டெஃபாக இருந்தாலும் அவர் ஹாபி மூலிமா முன்னேறாருன்னு பார்ப்போம். அஜய் displayed his hard works and sold 144 paintings out of 150 paintings that he displayed. He displayed his works not only in India but also throughout the United States and United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay received a National Award of Accomplishment from then President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ajay also participates actively in the welfare of people with hearing disabilities and gave them free training. He has been executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He trains hearing impaired children in Jaipur and in an orphanage in Gandhinagar for free. One of Ajay's current goal is to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature painting. மினியேச்சர் பெயிண்டிங்கிறது ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் மினியேச்சர் பெயிண்டிங்கிறது அரிசிலாம் படம் வரைவாங்கல்லம்மா, அதுதான் மினியேச்சர் பெயிண்டிங். ஈன்ற படத்தில் கூட இந்த சமந்தா கேரக்டர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, குட்டியோ சின்ன ஒரு சின்ன ப்ரஷ்லாம் வச்சு அழகாக சின்ன சின்ன பொருள்லாம் செய்வாங்க இல்லையா, இப்போ குட்டியாக என்னென்ன பொருள் இருக்கோ அதில் படம் வரைகிறது க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறது தான் மினியேச்சர் பெயிண்டிங்ஸு. Thus, Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby into a successful career if you are ready to learn and develop our skill. எப்படி அஜய் ஒரு டெஃபாக இருந்தாலுமே அவர் லைஃப்பை என்ன பண்ணிட்டார், அவர் ஒரு சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக மாற்றிருக்காரு. அவரோட பெயிண்டிங் ஹாபியை வச்சு ஒரு லைஃப் ஸ்டைலவே அவர் மாற்றிட்டார். அவர் மற்றவங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி மாறிட்டார். அதே மாதிரி நம்மளும் என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்மளோட ஹாபியை டெவலப் பண்ணணும். அது நம்ம லைஃப்க்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லான ஹாபியை நம்ம இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும். Okay, all of you understand this session? Okay. Glossary. First one, impairment, disability. Impairment, disability. Second question, miniature, very small of its kind. Miniature, very small of its kind. Third one, accomplished, fulfilled, achievement. Accomplished, fulfilled, achievement. Fourth one, magnify, enhance. Magnify, enhance. Exhibit, show or reveal. Fifth one, exhibit, show or reveal. Sixth one, revitalize, re-energize. Revitalize, re-energize. Seventh one, apprentice, one who learns a profession. Apprentice, one who learns a profession. தொழில் கற்றுக்கிறவங்க. Hearing impairment, deafness. Eighth one, hearing impairment, deafness. Dumb, one who is unable to speak. Ninth one who is unable to speak. Tenth one, orphanage, a place where children uncared for are looked after. Orphanage, a place where children uncared for are looked after. Antonyms, immerse, float. First one, immerse, float. Second one, dying, thriving. Dying, thriving. Third one, traditional, modern. Traditional, modern. Fourth one, sold, brought. Sold, brought. Fifth one, beneficial, harmful. Beneficial, harmful. Sixth, happy, unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Seventh one, successful, unsuccessful. Successful, unsuccessful. Eighth one, gained, lost. Gained, lost. Ninth one, childhood, adulthood. Childhood, adulthood. Tenth one, well, ill. Well, ill. Answer the following. First question, what happened to Ajay at the age of 3? At the age of 3, Ajay suffered an injury. The treatment left him permanently deaf. What happened to Ajay at the age of 3? At the age of 3, Ajay suffered an injury. The treatment left him permanently deaf. Second question, what was Ajay gifted with? Ajay was gifted with painting skill. What was Ajay gifted with? Ajay was gifted with painting skill. Third question, how was he honored? How was he honored? He was honored by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with a National Award of Accomplishment. How was he honored? He was honored by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with a National Award of Accomplishment. Fourth question, what is Ajay's current goal? Ajay's current goal was to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. What is Ajay's current goal? Ajay's current goal was to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Fifth question, is Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? Yes, Ajay's hobby has become a successful career because his work became popular all throughout India, the United States and the United Kingdom. He has also become the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? Yes, Ajay's hobby has become a successful career because his work became popular all throughout India, the United States, and the United Kingdom. He has also become the executive member of the Defendum Association in Rajasthan. Now we are going to see section 3, Ilavalagi, international carom champion. She is a daughter of Irudairaj. This is a pic of Ilavalagi. The next story is about Ilavalagi, who has proved that hard work and patience for what you do always helps you achieve your dreams. Ilavalagi is one of the many people who have won in spite of many problems. Her father, Irudairaj, was a carom board champion, but his family did not encourage or support him. He was a district level champion, but his dreams were shattered. He wanted to achieve his dream through his daughter. When she was a baby, he used to make his daughter lie down on carom board, and she used to listen to the sounds of coins and strike her. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her to the tournaments which he played with his friends at local clubs. Ilavalagi's father started training her when she was around 5 years old. One day, her father asked her to compete against him in a match. She won the match and gave her confidence. Starting from there, she went on to win Asian Cup, SAR Cup, and World Championship. Her father, Irudairaj, is a fish cart driver. His job is to transport materials like pipes in the cart. The income he earns is not enough to support himself and his family. He has a wife and 3 daughters. They lie in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarpadi, Chennai. But Ilavalagi, in spite of her poverty, she has won so many trophies. She has so many trophies that her house does not have enough space to store them. She keeps them under her bed, but she gave off many trophies to her neighbors and relatives because she does not have space. She has been playing for Tamil Nadu state and for almost 14 years, and every time she has traveled, financing the travel has been a big problem for her. But still, she has not given up. She says, "Victories follow me." Ilavalagi is a member of the Thiruvalur District Carom Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championship, Asian Championships. Her achievements: 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France. Won single title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championship in Visakhapatnam 2009. Women's singles title in the 37th National Carom Championships in Chennai 2008. 13 SAR Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009. The 2 times SAR Carom Championship Women's Single title in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was 2010 Championship in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and 12 are bronze medals, won in national competitions. She has won 111 gold and 9 and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. See how Ilavalagi and Ajay Kumar Ilavalagiyum ஹாபி மூலயமா அவங்க கரியர் டெவலப் பண்ணாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் என்ன பண்ணணும், உங்களோட ஹாபியை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும். அது மூலிமா உங்கள் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டை கரியரை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, now all of you understand the section 2 and section 3. Okay, glossary. First one, passionate, showing strong feelings. Passionate, showing strong feelings. Second one, accommodate, shelter. Accommodate, shelter. Third one, drop is prices. Drop is prices. Fourth one, shattered, destroyed. Shattered, destroyed. Fifth one, determine, decided. Determined, decided. Sixth one, victory, success. Victory, success. Seventh one, patient, desire. Patient, desire. Eighth one, involved, engaged. Involved, engaged. Ninth one, knowledge, wisdom. Knowledge, wisdom. Tenth one, arts, difficulties. Arts, difficulties. Antonyms. First one, knowledge, ignorance. Knowledge, ignorance. Second one, filling, emptying. Filling, emptying. Third one, victory, defeat. Victory, defeat. Fourth one, magnify, reduce. Magnify, reduce. Fifth one, win, lose. Win, lose. Sixth one, completely, partially. Completely, partially. Seventh one, welfare, harm. Welfare, harm. Eighth, accomplished, unskilled. Accomplished, unskilled. Ninth one, continue, discontinued. Continued, discontinued. Tenth one, included, excluded. Included, excluded. Fill in the blanks. First one, Ajay mastered the techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. Ajay mastered the techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. Second one, Ilavalagi won her first match against her father. Ilavalagi won her first match against her father. Third one, Ajay Kark is an artist. Ajay Kark is an artist. Fourth one, Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. Fifth one, Ajay displayed 150 paintings. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Choose the correct synonym. First question, Ajay started to paint happily. Option A, depressed. B, joyfully. C, unhappy. Happily, joyfully. Second question, miniature paintings depict Indian culture. Option A, rap. Option B, portrait. C, twist. Depict portrait. Third question, her passion for carom took her to the level of world champion. Option A, support. B, desire. C, honor. Passion, desire. Fourth question, Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 paintings. A, showed. B, hide. C, closed. Exhibited, showed. Fifth question, the confidence led her to win the Asia Cup. Option A, peace. Option B, love. Option C, hope. Confidence, hope. Answer the following. First question, what was Iridayaraj? Iridayaraj was a fish cart driver who used to transport materials like pipes to make a living for his family. What was Iridayaraj? Iridayaraj was a fish cart driver who used to transport materials like pipes to make a living for his family. Second question, who did Ilavalagi beat in the women's singles? Ilavalagi beat P. Nirmala in the finals of Carom World Championship with 25-11, 25-11 victory. Who did Ilavalagi beat in the women's singles? Ilavalagi beat P. Nirmala in the finals of Carom World Championship with 25-11, 25-11 victory. Answer the following. Paragraph question. Write a note on Ilavalagi. Ilavalagi was one among the many to achieve their dream amidst all odds. Her father was a district level champion in carom. He used to put her on the carom board to listen to the sound of strikers and coins. Her father took her to the local clubs frequently. When Ilavalagi won her first match against her father, she gained confidence. This confidence led her to win the Asian Cup, SAR Cup, and the World Championship. She won a lot of trophies. She won the 2008 Indian National Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's single. Her passion for carom made her succeed in life. Write the note on Ilavalagi. Ilavalagi was one among the many to achieve their dream amidst all odds. Her father was a district level champion in carom. He used to put her on the carom board to listen to the sound of strikers and coins. Her father took her to the local clubs frequently. When Ilavalagi won her first match against her father, she gained confidence. This confidence led her to win the Asian Cup, SAR Cup, and the World Championship. She won a lot of trophies. She won the 2008 Indian National Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's singles. Her passion for carom made her succeed in life. Okay children, all of you understand there is two section 2 and section 3. Ajay Kark, artist, Ilavalagi, carom champion.